Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today our shout out will go to Abdullah, KAYANI and IBRAHIM IQBAL. Thanks for supporting me in my channel, and if you want to shout out, subscribe. But today we're going to be building a magic 8-ball app, and this actually works very well with me because I'm pretty indecisive, and this will randomly choose between yes, no, maybe, try again, etc. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so like yesterday, let's start off by importing the random module. And did I do something wrong? Oh no, just my laptop glitching. Okay, and let's first start off this time. Normally I make an infinite loop, but this time let's start off by making the function, and that will be decide. And we'll say think of a number, random choice is equal to random dot randint. Remember randint from the previous videos, randint, and I will give it 5 options, so 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes 5. Okay, and after random choice, do you remember how we made this in last day's video yesterday? I want you to try to find a way you can build this by yourself. So pause the video now. Okay, so this is how I would have done it. I would have done a match case. I would have done match random choice, and then let's get all of our cases. Case 0, I'll just put pass. Pass basically means do nothing, just skip it, pass it. Then let's do case 1, pass. Case 2, pass. Case 2, pass. Case 3, pass. And case 4, let's pass. And now we have to, I'm going to first actually quickly build our structure, the while true. And I'm just going to say input, but remember I'm not actually putting this input into a variable. I just want this for the user to hit some random button. So input what, nope, I clicked insert. What do you want to ask? You want to ask, and then I'm just going to print decide. So this structure, this entire thing is actually pretty simple. So I don't know if the video is going to be longer than at most 5 minutes, but let's continue. Now we'll just do return, and this could be yes, return, this could be no, this could be try again later. I hate when I get that on a magic 8 pool, try again later. This could be maybe, and what will 4 be? Your call, just to annoy people. And all in all, this up, and I did not put returns here, and I cannot spell. I love this. Return, and all in all, this is essentially a pretty basic, let's say, do the dishes magic 8-ball, but and I did not put anything in. Let's quickly change that. So put an if. So this if basically means if this function returns something. If it returns nothing, then yeah, then it won't work. We'll just put an else here, print please enter something. Please, and I still can't spell. Please enter something. Now, as you all know, this works, but then I think we should add more. So let's say do the dishes. Yes, oh man, didn't want to get that. But what I'm thinking of adding is the ability to sometimes rig this. It would actually be pretty fun sometimes. So I'm going to put in here a variable rigged, and here I'm going to add another thing, but first we're going to have to put this input into a variable now. So if this doesn't make sense to you right now, don't worry, I'll explain this later, or well, in more detail. So let's continue. Let's get a variable for this thing. I would say, give me any random variable. I'll change this afterwards. I'll just Control X, and I've got to copy that, and I'll just paste. So if and now there's going to be a secret code. So in it, I'm going to put another if I dot contains, nope. If I dot, I'm pretty sure there's something here. Pardon me. Let me quickly just find this and then I'll continue. Okay, I don't know how I missed this, but when I was typing in I dot contains, there we go. This is literally it. And then let's say the code will be rig. Then we won't do this. Instead, we'll then always say, then we'll ask for another variable, and we're going to make this a little fishy. We'll say, please repeat. No, actually, did you say, and then we're going to say I, and we'll also do a y/n, so we can know whether or not they want a y or yes or no. Trust me, I've seen this before in a movie. It'll work, I hope. So yes, and then what we'll do is we'll just instantly print. Nope, then we need another if. So if j is equal to y, then we'll say yes, then print yes, and let's just say L if j equals to, and I did a lid. Wow. If j equals to n, print no, and else we're going to print the decide. And also, if it just doesn't contain this in the first place, let's copy. Then we'll also just put our else in here and there. Now currently, if I don't put in my rig, it'll, and I just realized there's a giant space here. If I don't change it, then essentially it'll work like before. Let's say do the dishes, and we forgot here, we don't need that. I added that in a while back for no apparent reason. I can't really remember why I did. So what do I want to ask? Should I do the dishes? The dishes. Try again later. But now I want it to say no because I don't want to do the dishes. So should, and I'll just hide in here a quick. Should I do the dishes? Believe me guys, if anybody's coming here, just say, oh, that was a small typo. Yes, now I wanted to say no. So N, so I'll click N and bam. It's also rigged now. So I won't be doing the dishes anytime soon. And yeah, today was a short video because I just got my new mic. So I just want you to all to pardon me. Please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, have a good one.